rose garden,
of the rose garden
of God, singing, singing melodies, singing, singing melodies, bring animation and happiness too.